Hi you guys, my name is Amy and welcome back to my channel. So on my last video I told you guys that I was in London, or I was going to London. Well, I'm here. So this is Amy trying English snacks in London, and I am super excited. So let's just try some snacks. So you guys, this is me walking down to the grocery store to get the snacks that I bought today. So I am looking around the store. These are the different kinds of snacks that they have at this little grocery store. I just couldn't decide. Before we start, look at this view. Look at that. Isn't that church really pretty? Gorgeous. And I think over there is like where Big Ben is, and London Eye. Just wanted to show you. Very pretty. So I went to a English grocery store here. By the way, this is my room. It's very small. I will give a tour in another video. This is just like a taste test English snacks video that I found in a local grocery store. So I picked up some snacks, probably too much. I got like 5 snacks. Well, I got 2 boxes of one snack because I've seen celebrities try this snack and everybody says it's amazing. So why don't we just start with that one? Yeah. So a Jaffa cake. Right, is that how you say it, Britain? Jaffa cake. So people go crazy with these. They just did like a bake on the kids' British Bake Off, and they had to make their version of a Jaffa cake. And I heard these were Tom Holland's favorite biscuit. And apparently there's a lot of deliberation if it's a biscuit or a cake. I don't know. Let's open it up and try it. Okay. I hope it's good. I also just had like a really siren. Really. Ooh. By the way, I looked at the price. This was like £1 and like 50 pence or something like that. Now, if you use your like an American credit card, you know, obviously the price is gonna go to American dollars, but it doesn't change that drastically in the price. So these are Jaffa cakes. Apparently there's like orange jelly jam in the middle. Oh my god, it's so amazing. I'm gonna have these every morning while I'm here with my coffee. So this is what the biscuit looks like. Ooh. Sorry about my hair. What? Oh my god. This is amazing. You know those orange slices of those chocolates? This is what it tastes like, but in a cookie biscuit. I understand why there's a deliberation between if it's a biscuit or cake, because it doesn't taste like an American cookie. Whatever you guys think in the comments below, tell me, is it a cookie or a biscuit? I mean, oh my god. The only thing that makes it sweet is the jam. And the jam is amazing. Guys, that is really good. And it was only £1.50. These in America would probably be $3. I'm like not kidding. Something like this. I only got 2 boxes of these because I knew I would like them. So, yeah. Let's do another sweet treat. I got like 3 sweet treats and 2 savory. Just because like I know I'm gonna be snacking on the salty things throughout the day, and like the sweet things like this I'm gonna eat in the morning with coffee. So I don't know why I got the family pack. That's the only thing they had. But apparently here in England, I wanted to try something called a Swiss roll, which is, we don't really have anything called a Swiss roll in the US, except I think England compares it to like a Twinkie. But this is the Cadbury mini roll. So let's open it and try it. I don't want this video to be too long. Oh my god, guys, this is like the best day. I can't, like, seriously. I'm on a roll. Fun pun. So it comes individually wrapped, which is very sweet and nice. I don't know how much this was. This was maybe like $5, I think. 5 pence, pounds, 5 pounds, I think. I'm not sure. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this. I can already tell. That's different. So, since I've been here, I haven't tried any English desserts. All I've been doing is eating. That's when you do when you travel, right? The chocolate isn't so good. I would compare this to Americans' grocery store, I don't know. What if one of our I would compare it to a American handheld pie. You know, the sandwich pies. That's what I would compare this to, is a handheld cream pie, I guess I would say. Let's go through. It's sweet. It's sweet though. I did just have brunch, I guess. And next I'm gonna have dinner. So we have a couple more snacks to try. Before we try the other snacks, I'm not gonna try this one. But I did get 4 for the time that I'm here. So the coffee here in the hotel that I'm staying at is the coffee here is not complimentary. You have to buy it, but it's like £1.30. But I thought I would get iced coffee for the morning so I don't have to get up. Although I think room service, the cleaning, I think they're gonna clean my room tomorrow. Also, another thing here in England, they don't clean your room every day. They don't really change the sheets. I think it's every other day. I might be wrong, but here at this hotel, they did, or housekeeping just made my bed and gave me new towels. But I think tomorrow they change the sheets and they vacuum and, you know, give you toilet paper and stuff. So this is Jimmy's iced coffee. I'm not gonna try it now. I had like 3 cups of coffee already today. So I'm gonna save this for the next 4 days. I didn't want to get too many things of coffee, but I drink a lot of coffee. So yeah, I also got that. Let's do savory. I swear to God, I think I got too many snacks. So this is Walker's 100% Great British potatoes. Ooh, so they're Great British potato. So Walker's is like American Lay's, I believe. Great salted. So this is like the original flavor, and there's 6 packs in here. I'm gonna eat these. I just hope they're good, you know. Cute. These are Walker's. Try it. Ooh. So if you guys don't know, here in England, chips are crisps. So let's see if they're crisp or anything to write home about. It smells really good. Oh my god. What? Guys, if I said these are better than Lay's, would you believe me? Oh my god. So you know when you have Lay's, which I have a bag of Lay's over there, they're unbelievably oily, unbelievably salted. These are also really salty, but you can taste the potato. I never had, like, obviously it's a potato, but it's different. It tastes like it was fried in a different kind of oil than America does. That's really good. Really delicious. 2 snacks left. Got a lot of snacks. I don't know why. Why did I do this to myself? Why did I buy all these snacks? Like, seriously. I just wanted to. Because it's different compared to America, where we have big, bulky chains like Target and in North Carolina, Harris Teeter or something like that. So the next thing we're going to try is tea cakes. I've heard about these also, but I never tried them. So we're going to try them today. Look how pretty the packaging is. So English. Okay, let's open this up and try a tea cake. So the reason I got all these snacks was to, 1, bring some home, excuse me, and 2, have something to eat when I wake up in the morning. That's usually what my routine is I wake up, I have coffee, and I usually have something sweet with my coffee, like a normal Brit, which I'm not one, but I don't know what a tea cake is, like what's in it. So it looks like this. Very pretty, very cute. Smells sweet. Oh my god. There's marshmallow in there. Very sweet. Once again, it's really good. It's like American s'more. Drooling. Oh, that's really good. I love chocolate and marshmallow. Oh, it's the best thing I've ever had. One more snack. One more snack, you guys. I've never seen this before in my life. I hope they're good. I don't know what the flavor is. It says original. Once again, 6 packs in here. So it says hula hoops. They kind of remind me of Funyuns, like the shape. I don't think they'll taste like that. I love that. I love these little packages. Look how cute. I love it. Oh, they smell like a Funyun. Oh. I thought I hated it at first. Alright. They're very crunchy. There's like corn in there or something. Interesting. They're very crunchy. They're not as good as the Walkers, may I just say. The Walkers are so good. It's a potato chip or crisp. Can't really complain. Do these count as a crisp? They're not potato really, but they're not bad. Not as good as the Walkers though. They're good. I'm glad I tried them. So you guys, that is it for this video today. That was fun. Those were the different kinds of snacks that I found in England. I'm really glad I found the Jaffa cakes. That's the one thing I wanted to find, was those Jaffa cakes. And they did not disappoint. They were so good. If you don't like orange, probably not your jam, but I love orange chocolate combination. I think it's perfect. So my favorite are the Jaffa cakes and the Walkers potato chips. So yeah, hopefully oh, the sun is coming in from the window. That's why it looks so bright. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully I will post another location of me tasting food here in London before I head home. Press the like button, also press the big red subscribe button down below, and leave a comment. Leave any comment if you want. So thank you guys so much. I love you. Mwah. All right. Farewell. Bye.